Si Pengan. Hi guys!
Well, not Coel. Let me sing a tosta. Tosta, let me sing a Len. What are you singing? Thursday, 11th. Eko siya ay pangay. Anong siya back? Len mo na si Rose. Ma. Wikat. Kiped singay. Let me sing a. Let me sing a. Aşkata şık makadako kita narakat. Engin na ako lakten. Sumnaki unon peak. Ari nakat shawiye. Ari nakat ustanegi geldi mane. Marine Park. Marine Park kala ba? Singin. Kami nga faaf ang nga ko flying tilagpan ki kal sing. Ang nga faaf as ngay fok la. Ara. At tar sang Neil Stephen Karen yung tama sing Karen. Tafaan. Mabab na siya ang sige yan. Nag-8 pika. Aş kadar şık. Ipinlal ko sila ke. Pa ina nansi ke fa fa ka tin nak tin kulat na ke pin. Aw. Ke pangan ma kalab ka sing ya. Uya ingin apa na nansi. Sonor, mai si be fa si ko I. Ot si pa kum may mani si bom tuke tin ngayon ka. May si kum du si nas cancer o mao. Ngai man na si ko dito. Bakya. Oh na. Ne ash. Mo da ka hum singin.
Maray si Barikya. Pa. Tawag na. Santin.
Hallo. Nice spotting. Nice. Om den da avspanningen.
Aí está,
Ame bien.
Iman da çıkıyor.
Limom na karate. Limom na kom na pa effect ka
Ne
ka.
masko? Mabaya.
Ilme.
Manay. Ilme.
Okay.
I push na upe, kanya ba swing in Europe, ne kwai ni na London na
Kuloman lap. Mesho kinare. Trump na sil. Akman na yen. Sang gatin na sil.
London. Round nhập to yen le.
Alright.
Ai mahtuu.
Sai tui in na.
Kaya fa fucking min tienta liktar ka fa kaya.
Không có phải còn
Vi fa fucking tienta liksingin na.
không có gì hôm nay ngày nào này là có số gì
Kasi fa
long xin nói lên một chút mà như này
Emma.
Miyasi mose. Miyasi.
Era dentro, mano.
Parte ali.
Rani ko yung wasi
Ne?
Tôi cũng có cái chiều còn lại người. Còn lại người đấy.
Minsan na pikan pa nga nag-clear
Sonor. Naskoy ka to. Polite talaga me. Idam na ko si pa ko.
Yes na kayo pero yun ng biyas
Era nash mo si Ru.
Nope.
well I mo
Kagaya tayo.
big so nga siya siya ilan ni uy ka kan mo
Who's your daddy?
Ruriyak pero.
Tällä juot nänkittejä.
Aman hurry up, man.
Sham the seat. Mấy tiếng
Ơi các con ấy,
mấy xin
con ấy
nghe.
plug plan nó, con ấy u xin ấy, rất mặc kêu. Và thế nên là pin phải có chip rồi, họ có try. Có lẽ không ấy. Plug chip rồi, rất mặc kêu này. Con ấy tên Oreo. Rồi là cái son anh to ko, này là cái. Con ấy ba sinh này mà cái cần thằng này là cement. Wow, push. Hello, plugs 4 inch. The vignetto you can check it out and sing it. Open di la ina bugdala ni coin soon film de la.
Fakkiashi karaksi ngayon lagi.
No, sing it katalo fine. Mention na. Wa fine but kan samrena de.
Okay cash.
Rồi tây Tapi ada sunat tu nak payah kalau ada kan.
Iti ilyak, sigo kyaktari. Oy, ngayon corona. Makakin ko na yung kyaktari. Fakkiashi karaksi ngayon.
Ito bakit hindi na ito tingnan. Bakit? Pangit. Pangit kan ni, pangit kan kulit mazak, pangit. Si patumi. Ah. Ini pangit.
Jangan. Polly on top. Yan. Malum. Yan. Last time you guys saw me whack the firewood. This time, we ain't got no time for that. We're just gonna come and buy some firewoods this time. Sometimes you gotta buy them, sometimes you gotta whack them, sometimes you gotta go borrow them from your neighbor. I guess you got this ngayon. Di mo mukul algaw atin ngayon. Makano ngayon.
Ela já.
Nagikelod. Mekos ikali mekos. Alright. Saan Saan Uy.
Vamos vai, vamos. Vai, velho.
Miyasi!
Você vai, põe no mano.
Gusto mo? The Shaunak kind, yeah? The Shaunak kind.
What?
Shaunak style. Esse que esse é o meu music, velho. Yeah,
Full side. Okay, watching it.
Let's go. Beginana. Đấy cồn.
Ra ra cái gì mập và ra cái bộ.
Na ina acho que bigo que pensinga ao se mit longo ninguém até o momento bigo é mana que ao on gosh acho muito lan national government acho que nem ninguém nada go los sure conference lá los buying in seeing it ali era dinner reception lá los Reed Park. I'll have a voice. I'm giving gaffle giggling missing young. Okay, so Dari in looked in 111 anyway. Set up tent lalos up. And then we should be good.
Ja. Yep. Different ano linis. Smoky.
Esto uno.
Ôi, răng à?
Đây.
Ôi, nhìn chim ai kìa. Chào tận.
Yun yung kakartingan din.
Давай. Давай, там. Выйда. Ова. Я не криво. Masang kangin tao la. Malo.
Lik mo gul de wan siya. Long siya kang ngay pa full siya ngay. Recipe for ko siya lubang eh. Pwede. Enjoy all the way eh. Sure. Chỉ cần nào áo là cái chết lên gì? Mission si lash ngayon na sa afla. Chat na si cook new. So we got some over here. We found some over here. Rằng đã phải là new siya ngayon.
Đó ba tô. Mỗi chúng mày làm.
Like sample. Check out the island style fries. Mango with some Kool-Aid. The thing gon' broke them out. Go try them out. Go later like try them out. How's it like them? Oh no. I didn't what? Cook them out or slap them out? Slap them eh. The thing one no eh? Chop them out. Hey, what? Can sample? Give me one. Let me see. Like one, cuz. You know what? I go sample these. From my brother Philip. Philip from Kona. It's for you, cuz. Try look. Almost ball. Không mời bạn người. Nó là con này chị. Em nói nhiều. Hey, dude, you stay walk. Chơi. Các con đã vào một phần em ơi.
Wait, bangun.
Wait, now we're here, Jay.
Bangun sampai. Mesti mau naur.
Hey, kailan ka toton ng mga ni Marina? Yung kaya pa, check na hash. Nin, not pipes eh.
Mahal banget.
Takot eh. Kahit pa yun.
Baka nim sa akong tata.
Il serve, il panto. Generella. Angwe, may tawag ko na micro game. Mesero. Ay, cute. 써봐라. mo, sakto nung natin. Ayun, ang lamig.
Pwede kita na ba?
Kia rồi.
Ito, sir.
Basta, wala tayong dalangan.
Yeah, so I'm gonna just try and get the boat up on the dock for a couple of days, fix my problem, get back in the water.
You ready to go?
The crane's gonna lift me up, put me on the dock.
Oh, you gonna work on it?
Maybe Monday. Yeah, I found a bad rust spot in the
Underneath?
boat, inside. Yeah.
Oh,
And so
okay.
if I tried to fix it, all of a sudden the water's gonna come up.
Oh, so you gotta
get out of the
take it off the water. Right.
Those are fancy legs on that camera.
I know, man.
It looks like, I said you were operating. It looked like you got the technique down. You've been doing a lot of that.
Small kind. You already know, my brother. You already know.
You've been doing a lot of that, right?
Yeah, nah, just trying to figure it out. You know what I mean?
I can see the way 30 years ago.
30 years ago.
Yeah,
You build it by yourself?
Yeah, I designed it and built it. My own design.
Wow.
All steel.
Is this the one that you took to Hawaii or no? You took this one out to Hawaii?
Oh yeah, I started in Oregon.
Oregon, right?
And this is my second trip to the South Pacific on this boat.
Right.
In the 90s, I come out down here. That was only in the South Pacific.
Right. I remember you told me
sailed
that.
all the way back from Australia back to Hawaii. Because my home's in Hawaii, the big island.
Yeah.
Hillside.
That's us. Kyokasai, Kyoka, Ilo. Here we go. Yeah. BJ Bane all the way, you know what I mean? Oh, so you're gonna put this up and then try to work on the
Yeah,
rocks that you spotted?
it won't take much work to do it, but I can't do it in the water.
Right.
If I did it in the water, it'd be pretty scary.
Man, how fast this thing go?
Oh, maximum maybe 6 miles an hour.
6 miles a second.
Yeah.
But it gets you there, huh?
Oh, yeah. Usually average, most passage making it average 100 miles a day.
Oh, try Luke. Hey, stand over there.
I just come up from the Solomon Islands, and there's no wind, up between the Solomon Islands here.
Right.
The currents against you. It took 30 days, so that's like only 30 miles a day.
Wow.
But some days I was going backwards, huh? One day I went backwards 48 miles.
Oh, nah, for real.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Hey, Blackie, try look. Get the resemblance, eh? Try look. No, you and my brother Neil, Steve.
Yeah. Oh,
Maybe that's Scotsons, eh?
no, but he's not as good looking as
Well, hey, what's the cost?
No, but I don't know how you make it across the ocean with this little bugger right here.
Nice little wind blowing.
So how many days will it take you to travel from here to Pohnpei?
I'm not going to Pompeii, I'm going to go back to Tahiti.
Oh, Tahiti. Oh, right.
So I'm going
Tahiti,
against
yeah.
the wind all the way practically.
So that'll take you about 2 months?
Yeah, probably. But I might...
There's no rush, right?
Depends on the wind whether there's going to be whether I can get to any islands on the way.
Right. All right, my brother. Okay, I'll go catch you up. Go spot you later. I'm gonna head out. We got some stuff going on over there.
Right, buddy.
Okay, Blackie. So shoots. I'll see you later.
One, two, three, up. Healing.
What's up, brother?
Hey, what's up? What's up?
Brother. Hey, come on. Get on top of the thing and take a spin, Cass. Let's go, let's go. Let's go already, Cass. Let's go. Check out the kangas. Yes,
Si Pengan. Hi guys! Hey,